Hello people, welcome back to this channel. So today we will talk about Google Sheet application on mobile phone, and I would like to give you the new formula that you can use for your work. Which formula it is? So the formula is the Google Translate formula. So you can translate one word or any sentence from one language into another only with the Google Sheet application. It will really work for your daily activities with the Google Sheet application. So here I already prepared the documents. I have already for language here. So the sources will be the English, and I would like to translate it into Indonesia, Korea, and Hindi. So how we can translate this? You just need to tap the cells that you want to place the data. So here I will to place it into the Indonesia. So here let's just remember that the source of the information will be the English table right here, and the result will be in Indonesia. So you just need to go click this edit button and go click this equals, and then you just need to type Google. There will be pop up Google Finance and Translate, and use the translate one. Now the next thing you need to do is just click the sources, which is the banana, and then you just need to add this symbols and the symbols. So since the language of the sources here is from English, so we need to enter the code, which is the E and N, and then you just need to put another symbols, and then you just need to type the code for the result. So here the result I would like to have here is Indonesian, so you just need to type the code, which is the ID, and then put the same code again or symbol, and then you just need to click this checklist button, and you will get an answer, the translations from the English to Indonesia from banana. And if you want to fill for the rest, you just need to block all of the cells here by drag the point into the downside, and right after that you just need to tap it, and there will be an autofill options there, so you just need to go click the autofill features, and they will be automatically filled. It also works from the Korea, so you just need to do the same. Just type an equal and then type a Google Translate, and same, the sources will be the banana, so you just need to tap it, and then you just need to add the symbols and the code for the language of the sources, and then add the code or the symbol, and then the code for the language that we want to translate to. And then I just need to go click checklist button, and there will be got translated, and drag it and click autofill. So basically that is the way how you can translate one language into another with Google Sheet application. Hopefully you found this tutorial today is useful for you. So thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.